Pandora Kaaki, who was born on July 29, 1998, in the Philippines, is a model, Instagram star, and social media celebrity. She is also a YouTuber that she joined on September 23, 2019, where she has more than 885k subscribers, where she uploads videos related to her lifestyle, traveling, etc. Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you. From a very young age, she wanted to become a model, and her dream come true when she started uploading her gorgeous bikini photos on her Instagram account. Many of her images got viral overnight, and she received fame and a lot of followers in a short span of time. Then she started uploading her images regularly that helped her in becoming an Instagram star and social media celebrity. Height in feet, inches, 50 or in centimeters, 152 centimeters, weight in pounds, 99 pounds, or in kilograms, 45 kilograms. Currently, we don't have any information about her relationships, as she has not shared anything about them.